The Nicobar pigeon is one of the most striking and colorful bird species in the world, known for its vibrant metallic plumage that shimmers in shades of green, blue, and bronze. Native to the remote islands of the Nicobar archipelago and surrounding regions, it is the closest living relative of the extinct dodo. Unlike most pigeons, Nicobar pigeons do not have dull feathers, making them a standout in their family. These birds are excellent long-distance flyers, often traveling between islands in search of food and nesting sites. Interestingly, Nicobar pigeons lay only one egg at a time and are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds.